Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the fastest way. Let's tap on the keypad and here enter a code which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers, which are right here at the top of this pop-up window. Let's tap on OK, and now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here we need to get back to this general list of the settings and scroll in order to find the option About Phone and tap on it. Now we need to scroll down and go to Device Details. Scroll down, and as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.